times for me at home call for a little bit of time pass, and when I keep irritating too many at home, it's time for me to get into the kitchen and create a dessert. Now, when I was racking my mind as to what to create, the only thing that could come to mind is a beautiful and gorgeous creme caramel, but with coconut to get it into the tropical essence. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we get on this journey creating the most decadent coconut caramel. Creating a coconut creme caramel follows the same principle where you have a mold heating on the stove top and you create the caramel. So nearly 2 tablespoons of sugar is going to create that as it melts and gets to that glorious amber brown color. Ensure the sugar is well melted and just stir it so that the color merges with each other, gets you that perfect amber gold color. As you obtain this color, you just swirl it once or twice and it's time to switch off the flame and allow this to cool down. As we allow the molds to come down to room temperature, now it's about creating that gorgeous coconut egg custard. So into a large basin, a glass basin, goes in 8 whole eggs. Whisk it with 8 tablespoons of sugar and about half a teaspoon of salt till the sugar melts. As the sugar and the eggs emulsify and more or less melt gloriously, you can see the sheen that sugar brings to the eggs. All you need to do now is eyeball in some vanilla just to take off the eggy smell and texture. So what you do is use nearly a capful, whisk away along with about a cupful of cream. So about 250 mils of full fat cream going in. Just whisk this together. Well emulsified. At this stage you can add some liqueur if you want it. You can add some Malibu, you can add some coconut rum, you can add some lemon silo, you can add some point through just to marry coconut with another ingredient. However, we are coconut obsessed, so I'm going straight out coconut. So 800 mils of first extract coconut milk going in, creamy as ever, and we're going to whisk the emulsion up. So simple and so easy, but a decadent dessert awaits. All you need to do is equally divide the gorgeous coconut egg custard into that caramel mold and put it to bake. Such a simple creation, getting done in about 15 minutes flat. I'm just buying some time so that I don't show everyone at home how easy it is to create, but this technically is all the hard work that you have to do in creating this dessert. One ladle in this and another one in that. One in this and another one in that. I'm sure you're well aware of how bored I am. Loosely cover this with foil just so that the top is protected and it doesn't burn. Same with the next one. I always like to create 2, one for me and one for a dear friend who is as caramel custard obsessed as I am. Into a cold water bath. Now always remember, for a caramel custard you always start with cold water and let the heat build up so that you don't get a burnt, glucky, disgusting custard coming out. At 160 degrees Celsius, this goes into a preheated oven for a good 40 minutes till you have that perfect wobble right in the center. 45 minutes of allowing this to bake to perfection. Now comes the most difficult part, that is chilling it down and cooling it for nearly overnight or 24 hours. The longer a coconut caramel cools down, the more decadent the dessert. Just curious me wants to check it out. So perfectly baked, and the custard has not curdled, the best part about this creation. Cool it down, bring it down to room temperature, chill it, and you're good to enjoy this. Having allowed this to chill overnight, it was the longest we had to wait to enjoy this creation. All we need to do now is take a knife, rim it all around, and demold it. A frosted glass platter, bringing a bit of the old world charm right in. Give it a quick shake till it falls down, and it's time to reveal this gorgeous creation. A perfectly decadent pudding ready. The flavors of this tropical coconut creme caramel have the essence of a creme caramel with the burst that coconut adds into it. You can always style it up with a liqueur just to elevate it, but going old school au natural just keeps the essence through to mine. I hope you enjoyed creating this with me. The longest wait for a fantastic dessert. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and more importantly, don't forget to subscribe.